Alright, boys, we are back. Big today, massive day, fantastic day trading. Okay, let's go over it. As you can see, my biggest win yet today, 1700, over 1700. We are so close to passing the first eval account. So close. We need like 400 something more dollars. Let's go over the trade. So, following my strat that I've laid out, we took a reversal off liquidity. We didn't necessarily look for a 5-minute market structure, but we did go off of a 1-minute fair value gap. And then the third trade I took, which was not a good trade, was based off a pullback with the trend. Well, kind of the second and the third trade both kind of went off that, but yeah, let's go over it. Let's read this. Fantastic trade day. First trade, excellent trade off a reversal. Second trade was based off a call out by FSP, and PEA had closed above a 5-minute fair value gap. Last trade, the third, was not a good trade. I closed it once I was in private because I didn't follow any setups, and I could feel myself being greedy to pass the account. So it goes like this. Here's number one. Here's what happened. Market open right here. Asian high, Asian low. Can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but Asian low is right here. It's not very bright on the screen. Oh yeah, y'all can't see it. What am I saying? Okay, so we got Asian low here. We had news right here at 9. What I saw was price came down, grabbed the low, and then shot back up twice. And so I got in right here once it closed above, even though this was a little sketchy, I'll be honest with you. We got in right here, scalped a quick $600 on that. Very good trade. Very good trade. Let's go to the chart, actually. It'll be a lot easier. You see I put reversal off this liquidity right here. Quick. Now, I could have taken another trade here, because following my rule, kind of, it wasn't necessarily on this fair value over here. It was kind of bouncing off this second one. So technically this isn't 3, technically this would only be 2. Not super clear, so pretty good that I didn't take it. But this would have banged. Another thing we had, this was a very, go to the 5-minute. This right here was a strong level. I knew if we broke above this, it would be very good to go long. Plus, I was following along on the FSP live stream. And he was saying the same thing. He was saying if it cha-cha-chas, it's gonna rah-rah-rah, something like that. That was literally what I think he said. So that was another confirmation, even though that's not very strong confirmation. A call out by a streamer. But it did break out right here. Right there. And then it retraced back. And this into this, there was a 1-minute, I believe. Let's double check that. Double check. Yes, indeed. This 1-minute right here. So it came out to this, grabbed this liquidity, retraced down, bought right here. Could have held longer. I had a trailing stop. Once this fair value got right here formed, I put it like right underneath, And so at one point I was up $2,000, I believe, total with the other trade too. And I was like $30 away from passing the account. And yeah, I could feel like my heart dropped. Like I was getting a little greedy, like, oh, I'm almost there, bro. I'm almost there. I knew that's a bad feeling when that starts to happen. I could have held, but I'm glad I had the tight stop because I got out for like, I was up like 1,600. So $1,000 ish, $1,200 ish, I think. Yeah. Then I started over trading just a little bit. We continued going up, and I had this, like you can see right here, I put might get off, might get up, might go up, but I'm over trading, so I'm getting off for the day, which is what I put on this trade right here. Because what I did was, is going straight up, right? And I always do this when I'm over trading it. I buy high and sell low. And so here I bought high, like right at the top of this candle, and then my stop was somewhere down here. I believe it barely missed it. And then look at this, my heart. I'm stressing. Then we got this massive rejection candle. I'm like, crap. Overtraded, just lost $500. Like lost half the profit I just made on this big trade right here. Thank goodness it went up just a little bit. Got kind of lucky. I just took the $150 profit and got off for the day. This was a terrible trade. Buy high, almost sold low. Yeah, I wouldn't take in a trade anywhere in here either because of these massive rejection candles. And that was my day. I could have passed if I held, but we don't do what ifs. Very, very good day following the plan. Grab liquidity, reversal right here. Great trade there. Could have done this again. Probably would have been like $600 more, but then that would have been my two trades, which is fine. I mean, that's $1,200. That's nice. Broke out here. Perfect execution right here. Overall, fantastic day. Tomorrow, let's look at tomorrow. Wait, how much do we need? $440. $440. Wow. That's pretty good. How much drawdown do we have? 2,100 drawdown. And the only reason we have 2,100 drawdown is because of this trade right here. It was up right here, and it came, this is $400 right here. Just a little movement right there. It was up here. It was up, and then it came back down. That's where the $392, $82, $382 is coming from. That move. Tomorrow news. Tomorrow's a busy day for me, to be honest. Very busy day. We might not pass tomorrow, to be honest with you, because we got, my day starts at 9:15, and then it's busy for the rest of the day until like 1. Graduating high school, that's a plus. Plus and minus. I don't have any more time to. I got no more time to waste. I gotta lock in, bro. I'm locking in this week, Friday. Okay, we have news in the morning, which I will not be trading at 7:30 a.m. Start trading at 8:30 a.m. So hopefully this makes a big dip down, and then maybe we get a breaker block. Maybe we get a breaker block. Yeah. Wow. All glory to God, by the way. All the glory to God. Literally don't deserve to win, bro. I don't deserve it, bro. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. He's giving me the peace to just make good decisions. Wow. All glory to him. Alright, so the pullback with the trend thing was this trade that I talked about, how it came back and pulled back into this fair value gap, because there wasn't any, I mean, it was technically off liquidity from the very bottom, but at this point it's just the regular upward trend. So that's the trend, and then this was kind of this you see how it went up and got stopped out right here. I did buy in, I forgot to say, I did buy in two. I bought more here because I know with Apex you can't dollar cost average if it goes down, and to be honest with you, I thought it'd just go up from here. Keep doing that instead of waiting for a pullback and then buying, like this one right here. This fair value gap, inverse this fair value gap. No, that fair value gap's invalid because that's an invalid fair value gap. But it did hold right here. No, it held with the trend. Oh well. Well, we made money, so. Wait, I can just look at the thing. I don't even have to. I can just do this. Let's see. 600. 700. Why is this one only 3? Anyway, this is the first trade. These 3 are the second trade. I did 2 things, but for some reason it split it up into 6 and 3. I don't know why I did that. We love to see green. Total profit 800 minus fees. Wow. Fantastic. What are these? Order details. Cash history. Am I supposed to be showing you all this? Someone gonna hack my account from seeing this? Does this give like an average? What do this month? Alright, let's do this quarter. 80% win rate so far. A couple losses. Average trade 10 minutes. Longest trade almost 20 minutes. 80% win rate. Pretty good. Total profit. Over 3K in profit. Doesn't matter, of course. Because we have 600 in loss. Fantastic, bro. That's like 1 losing trade. But I think it's actually 2. Maybe it was 3. Maybe it was 3 because this says 3. Max drawdown, max run up. 80% last freaking time per day. 10. 10 a.m. is when I make the most money. Losing trades per day. Later in the day. Most amount of money I make is at 10. I love 10. Actually, I've noticed that. What's my biggest single trade? 765? Today. You locked in today. How long is that trade? 16 minutes. 16-minute trade. Sorry, I haven't seen this. I'm kind of geeking out right now. I don't think I've ever said that word. Okay, I'm kind of yapping now. I'll end it. Please don't hack me by saying these numbers. If this means anything, please don't hack me. I don't know if it means anything. Let's go back. And if we don't need to go back, we can just X out. Okay, and we got no news tomorrow. We discuss that. Fantastic day following my setups, bro. W strategy, bro. It's so good, bro. I love this strat. It's working.